If you're new to SensoPart and stumbled across this channel, I just want to give you an overview of where you can go to find different types of product information. So obviously, if we go to SensoPart.com and instead if we click on the flag, the American/British flag, now everything will be in English, and you can hover here on products and you can go to our visor, the various types of visor. Here's the visor landing page. You can go to a distance sensor, and we break it out by product. So a distance sensor is a photo eye that has an analog output. If you want a photo eye with a discrete output, because we're a German company, it's on here under photoelectric sensors, and these all have discrete outputs, and here's the categories. And F10, 10 is the size, F is for photo eye, 25 is 2.5 centimeters, 55. Here's our fiber optics and our amplifiers, forks, ultrasonics, inductives, and so on. And this is where you can go to find product information. Here's a list of distance sensors, and I can go over here on the right and I can click on different selections. So, for example, I can pick the connection type, cable out, a plug, M12 4-pin, 5-pin, the various options, and I can pick what range I'm interested in, and then I end up with a product like this. And if I'm interested in building a complete bill of material, I can click Add to my list. Here's a list we can email later, but also I might want a cable, say a 2-meter straight cable, and I can add that to the list and go back to the product page. And I might actually want a mounting bracket. I can click here on the plus for various mounting brackets. This one can tilt up and down and right and left, and it's a pretty reasonably priced sheet metal. So I can click Add to my list, and I can click Show List here, and if I forget about it, how do I find it? Up here in the upper right, it says I have 3 products and Show List. So from here, I might want to modify the quantities. And if I say Send My List and type in my email, I only have to fill out the fields with an asterisk. And I click Send, and I get an email with that bill of material, and then I get a PDF version that I can email to the end customer. And in that PDF, the red part numbers are clickable links where you can go to the product page. But what's cool about each product page on our website, you see a picture of the sensor, and I've got all these downloads, specifications, a catalog extract, mounting instructions, and so on. Another place for help is for our cameras in our configuration software. If you go Help, Manual, and here we end up with the complete visor user manual with indexes you can click on. And while the user manual does have everything, sometimes it's a little bit hard to find on a particular topic, and we have some tech notes. The easiest way is to go to our YouTube channel. So we just Google YouTube SensoPart, and we see here the easiest way is to go to our YouTube channel. So we just go to Google and we type in YouTube SensoPart, and the first hit is the German YouTube channel, which has some good product videos, and we also have a US uncut channel. And if you click on the About on this YouTube channel, we have this US support site. And this has an index of YouTube videos for cameras, YouTube videos for sensors, as well as tech notes broken down by cameras and sensors. Also, for our cameras, we have a list of example programs by PLC, by robot, servo drive, other, general, that you can look at and download with quick start guides and links to videos. On the sensor side, here's some general information about I/O link. So on our YouTube channel, in addition to the US support site, you can subscribe to the channel. If you subscribe and you have a Google or Gmail account, when I load up new videos, you'll get an email stating I have new videos. Or just come to the support site when you need to and look